Hello and welcome to Hartis's Horticultural Hardware Reviews. So today we're actually doing a headphones reviews, and we're going to be reviewing, well, we're not really reviewing, we're actually repairing these uConnect headphones. They're part of an entertainment system in my Jeep, and if you've got some of these you may very well be aware of this problem where the battery door cover is quite fragile, not the greatest design, and cracks, and both of my headsets were cracked. Okay, so you can see that there was crack, and this is the opening bit. Yeah. So you need to get a new door firstly, and you can get a new door by sending an email to these people. Okay, they're not part of Jeep, but they make the uConnect, and if you're very nice to them, they will send you a replacement door free of charge, especially if you live in the US. They'll post it to you for free. If you're in the UK or abroad, then you're going to need to send them a prepaid envelope. So to replace this, the first thing we need to do is take off this cover. Okay, so I'm just use a little flat screwdriver, and we're just going to work our way around until it pops off. Okay, now you're going to need a very small, this is a T6. Okay, it's a T6 star shape. It's very, very small, and you're going to need to undo these three screws in here. Quite fiddly, difficult to get out. Incidentally, it doesn't matter which colour cloth you use to work on. Sometimes green is nice. Today we're using blue. Okay, so once we've got those three out, we should now be able to just prise this apart a little bit. Yeah. And you'll see at the top of this side here, if you can see that in the camera, there's a little lug just there, and that's what this goes over. Okay. If I can get this off. There we go. Okay. So this one just goes back over. You can see the loop. We're just going to put this over there, like so. And then we just have to close it all up again. And there it is, it's replaced. All we need to do now, of course, is just put our screws back in. And replace the cover. And when we're replacing the cover, note that you've got a square edge and a round edge, and of course the square edge goes against this back of the headphones. And there you go, it's as simple as that. And it's just going to save you using all that tape, and now you know that these doors are brittle because you've either bought one or it's broken. You will treat these with care when changing the batteries. So there we go, another successful episode of Hartis's Horticultural Hardware Reviews. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.